4 square hop. This is an exercise that we'll do on one leg, several different hops on one leg before switching to the other one. Even if you don't have a cross section that you can use for squares, just pretend like you have something that's split into 4 quadrants. So you're going to start in one, you're going to hop forward, hop to the side, hop backwards, and then hop back into the original square. And then stay on that same leg, go in the opposite direction, all the way back around. Notice I'm controlling the landing, catching myself flat on my foot. Don't rush this, don't go so fast where you're just hopping. The important thing here is to catch and control the landing. So go all the way around, all the way back, and then switch legs. That's 1 rep on each side.